So mommy makeover is actually a term that's designed to specifically tailored to a woman. And it's a complement of procedures that a woman may want after her pregnancy. Because a lot of times after the pregnancy, women notice that the breasts aren't as perky or as youthful as they were. Same thing with the tummy area and some areas of fat deposits. So it's really, we call it trifecta of procedures would be a breast augmentation with either a lift or a combination of that, a tummy tuck or a liposuction. So those are the big three.
Now, nature plays a big hand in this because there are some women who seem to just spring back effortlessly. They don't even necessarily go to the gym. Their abdominals just shrink back to their pregnancy state, whereas most of us, are not quite that fortunate. And is this something that even if you were to go to the gym and, do how many crunches, you still can't get it back? I mean, it just physically stretches the muscle out beyond, well, yeah, spring back mode?
That's exactly right. I think some of us, just like the rest of our bodies, some of us genetically, endowed to have these beautiful bodies before pregnancy. You can have 5 kids and look amazing afterwards. But then the majority of us really need a little bit of help. So say, with the breasts, when you're pregnant, beautiful, great breasts for nursing, but then afterwards you lose that fullness, it starts drooping, it doesn't look as youthful, and really no amount of pec training will make those breasts lift up. And same thing with the tummy. One of the main things women notice is that they lose control of their body after pregnancy. I mean, before pregnancy, a lot of how you look depends on how much you put into it. You eat well, you work out, and then you can kind of achieve what you're looking for. But after pregnancy, especially, you've had a larger baby, you've stretched out, you've got stretch marks, your muscles have actually stretched out. So what can you do? Or twins, triplets, of course. Of course, now with so many multiples, that can be a problem. So when you have the loose skin, it doesn't matter how many crunches you do or what, you can come back to your pre-pregnancy weight, but your body has changed forever.
I have one friend, and we were all very jealous of her. Her 4th child was just at 9 months, the tiniest little bump, as they call the baby bump, and she would always, spring back. But again, that is a rare thing.